Hello everyone and welcome to Simple Charm Living. Today I am showing you the Lauren B Beauty Curators Club for April 2020. The Lauren B Beauty Curators Club delivers 4+ products every month. It could be nail products, it could be hand care, so we'll see what I got. The first box that you get is $5. Normally each box is $24.95, but because this is my first time box, it is $5. It is a monthly value of over $75. So let's go ahead and see what I got in the box. Inside they give a little paper here. It says, "Hello Curator, if you are new to the club, welcome. If you are a veteran subscriber, thank you for your continued support. We hope that you enjoy this month's box of clean nail polish and beauty. With this new season brings new routines and fresh beginnings. We hope that this box and each of the products inside contributes to your healthy nail care and clean beauty routine. We love to feature other brands that we love and support, and we hope that we can introduce you to something new to try and indulge in." So with that being said, go ahead and make yourself a cup of Aya matcha tea and dive in and explore some of the best. Open and see. So here's the matcha tea that they were referring to. I personally am not a fan of matcha tea, but I don't mind trying it out again or doing something with it. They also have a little coupon inside it also. So the first thing I see peeking out here is the nail polish remover, and I'm actually super excited for trying this out. I saw it on their Instagram, and when they said that it smells like berries, I was like, oh, I need to smell that. I want to try it. But it is nail polish remover pads, and they're 30. It is acetone free, fast, and effective, and it has a sweet berry blossom scent. And look at those pads there. They smell very berry-like. So if you're interested in seeing a review on this, I can definitely do a separate review just on this, as well as maybe do a comparison between Ella and Mila's non-acetone remover. That might be an actual interesting thing to do. All right, next thing, let's see. Ooh, inside I see this little pouch. I think I know what it is. Yes! Okay, so you have some supplies here. You have a metal nail file, which is actually awesome. I've been wanting that. We have these little clippers. We have, oops. We have a nail clipper. And all this is great because it's all like in rose gold. And then here we have some tweezers. Tweezers are always very helpful as well. So I think this is super cute. Love this and love the little pouch that it comes in. Next I see this nail polish, and this is in the shade Blushing Bridesmaids, and these are all 7 free. So this is a nice pretty color. I'll do a swatch of it in just a moment. Ooh, nice. And then we have this shade here. This is in the color Dancing Shoes. This one is actually 5 free. So that's kind of interesting that one nail polish is 7 free and the other one is 5 free. I'm not sure if maybe it's just ingredients that make it more like a pearlescent kind of color versus like a regular cream, not sure, but anyways, let's go ahead and swatch them. Currently, as you can see, I do have some nails on. These are from a video that I'm testing them out, but I'm just going to color on top of them. Blushing Bridesmaids is part of our Lauren B Bridal collection, a translucent, oops. It is a translucent whisper of pink with warm peachy undertones, ultra feminine and opulent. Let's see if it pops up. I'll build it up to a few coats so that we can see it better. Dancing Shoes is also part of the Lauren B Bridal collection. The perfect marriage of taupe and rose gold. This glinty opaque polish levels out perfectly for a bold metallic finish that looks glassy and effortlessly cool. So let's see. Now on their website it does say that it is 7 free, but on their bottle it says 5 free, so I'm not sure what happened there. Ooh, that is a very pretty color. I am liking that. So just with one coat, you can see original. This one is the Dancing Shoes and this one's the pink. So I'm gonna do another coat for Blushing Bridesmaids. Again, I apologize for painting them on top of gray nails. I just wanted to show you what the colors look like because these are very pretty. Here we have Blushing Bridesmaids. It is very true to color. It is not so much as translucent as I thought it would be or sheer as I thought it would be. It is still pretty opaque. It looks very beautiful, a nice pink color. It reminds me a bit of Orly's Kiss the Bride. The Lauren B Beauty is a lot more pink, whereas Orly tends to be more on the off-white color with a tint of pink, but they kind of remind me very similar to those. So actually, let me put that one next to this one just so we can see it in action. During the meantime, I'm going to show you the dancing shoes. This is the normal nail polish that I have on, and then this one is the dancing shoes. I see this more as a metallic taupey gray. I do not see any rose gold marriage happening here. It is a very nice pretty color, but when I think of rose gold, I think of having a little bit more warm tone in the nail polish, and I don't see that warm tone. I mostly just see, again, maybe a marriage between taupe and gray, which they're already similar to begin with, but this has just a bit of that shimmery goodness happening. It's a very pretty color. I just don't personally see any of the rose gold in it. If they had mentioned that it was not rose gold tinted, I would be like, okay, that's fine, but because they do call it rose gold, I'm kind of sad about that. So I said that Blushing Bridesmaids and Kiss the Bride were very similar. They're not really. There's a difference. I will say that there is no breakdown to kind of show you how much each product is. On their website, it shows that the nail polishes are $12. The nail polish remover pads for 30 non-acetone pads is $15 on their website. So already you have 15, 12, and 12, which is $39 just in this alone here. The little nail care option that we have here, I don't know how much that is. I can't seem to find it on their website, so I'm not sure how much that specifically is. But regardless, I mean, I only paid $5 for this month. Every month after that will be $24.95. I will say, however, there is a disclaimer. If you went ahead and got the $5 Curators Club for your first box, if you decide to cancel now because you only wanted to try it out, let's say you just wanted to see what it was about, if it was worth it, they would charge you like $19.95 because you only got the one box, so they would subtract the $5 from the total cost. Technically, they want you to continue with this for like 6 months to kind of test it out and see how it is. If after the 6 months you want to cancel, then you just cancel. I'm not sure how it works for second month or third month. Maybe they would still subtract those $5 from whatever month you decided to cancel from. But regardless, I think this is really nice. It's a way to build up your nail polish collection as well as maybe some products that you want to use for your nail care and so forth. So I think this is a great way to kind of build up that collection, especially if you are brand new to all this. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox the Lauren B Beauty Curators Club. If you like me unboxing these videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I thought it would just be fun to kind of show you what was in that April box and show you the colors that I got. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below if you want to see further Lauren B Beauty Curator boxes. If this is something that you're interested in, let me know below. If you've tried out any of their other nail polishes, let me know which one you think is the best one and your favorite color from them. And go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can know when a new video of mine is coming to your notification screen. So I will see you again in another video.